Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Word Academy. Today in this video, we will learn about media queries. @media keyword was first introduced in CSS2 to define rule set for different screen types. In CSS3, they have extended this feature and provided the feature of media query. Using media queries, we can deal with viewport height and width, device height and width, device orientation, as well as the resolution. So in this video, we will learn how we can practically use media queries. So whenever you have to create any responsive website, at that time, we can make use of media queries. So let's see with the example. So here I have one HTML file and one CSS file, and in that I have added basic CSS to create navbar like this. So with media query, we will see how we can achieve the responsiveness we want. In media, you can give condition like max width. So here I will add max width at 400 pixel, and then here in the scope I can add whatever style we want. So here, let's suppose I want to change the background color of this navbar at particular condition. So here I will add that nav container class, and here I can mention the background color as blue. And let's see with developer tools whether it works actually or not. So here I will click on inspect, and here if we select this responsiveness button, so here you can see when our width is below 400, at that time the background of navbar is blue, and if we increase this now, then it will become back again. So now suppose at this, whenever our width is less than 400 pixel, and if we want this navbar to be vertical, so how we can achieve that? So here what we can do, we can change styling of a tag, and here a tag is by default display inline block, but we will make it as display block, so it will be aligned in vertical manner. So let's see that. So as soon as mention display block, it will be aligned vertically. So now let's increase this width. So now it has become horizontal. Also, you can play with the orientation of screen as well. So how you can do that? You can add media, and then you can add orientation, and here you can mention the orientation, whether it is landscape or portrait as per your need, and in this block you can add the CSS. So let's suppose at landscape orientation we want this background color to be green. So what we can do, we can give body background color as green. So those who don't know what is landscapes, whenever our width is greater than height, at that time we enter in landscape mode. So let's reduce the height, and when our width becomes greater than height, at that time we will enter in landscape mode, and this background color will become green. So now let's see if we have to make it cyan on orientation of portrait, then how we can do that? We can simply copy this CSS, and then we can mention our orientation as portrait, and here we can give that background color as cyan. And now you can see, since our height is more than our width, so that is why the background color is cyan now. So by using this combination, you can make use of media queries and make your website responsive. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and comment if you want more videos like this. Thank you.